will always be there and always remain. But I think when it comes to innovation, we have to dream big, start small, and scale or fail fast. You need to have some money aside for innovation. So I'll tell you what we do. So we've created an innovation hub in the company. And the job of this team is really to keep looking at what are the new technologies that are available, what are the use cases that others are working on, and which are the use cases that really would work well for us. And we keep doing the POCs at very small cost. Today it is easier than it was 10, 20 years ago because you can just rent some infrastructure on the cloud, work with startups and do the POCs. Once the POC is successful, you will get the funds, okay? Yes. And if it is successful, you can scale, and if it doesn't succeed, then you should just accept and move on. I'll give you an example of one innovation that we wanted to do long ago, and which we gave up. So I'm from a life insurance company, and we need to ask the customers to fill very, very elaborate forms with a lot of data, starting with, of course, the name, address, family history, and I'm talking of those days where the ecosystem had not evolved. And we found that the maximum time a person is taking to fill the form is in the name and the address. And we said, why not use speech to text? And that technology had not evolved then, and we implemented something. We did not invest too much money, and it was maybe 80% right, and we just tested it in a market. And we found that it was so cumbersome, right? It would have been easier for the person, even a South Indian like you, to type your name, which are really difficult for us to type, because the results were not accurate. We just dropped that plan, okay? Less money invested, dropped the plans. Nobody kept complaining that you are investing too much on innovations which are failing. But did we give up on our innovation? Of course not. We kept evaluating, and we found that there is a technology which is right now, where using technology, using an algorithm, you can check the liveliness of a person. And we said, where can we use this? It's such a beautiful technology. Like Shruti and Vijay mentioned, innovation for the sake of innovation does not work. But the job of the Innovation Hub is to identify this and find the right use case. And there was a perfect use case for us. We sell annuity products or pension products. By the nature of the product, a customer has to every year declare that, hey, I am alive. Only then he or she will get paid the pension. Before we started using this technology, and typically these products are bought by senior citizens, the senior citizens would have to walk to a branch and sign the certificate and just say, hey, I am alive. We said, why don't we use this technology? And we implemented it, just did a POC, because our underwriters were not sure, because is the technology right?